Good morning! Good morning, San Diego! Ang ganda ng araw. Wait. What? The sun looks so good today. Fit. I miss wearing shorts, man. Like, finally. Of course, magdadala ako ng shorts. And baka iiwan ko na lang din dito kasi I might go shopping. I need work clothes and like smart casual business looking, you know. I miss wearing shorts. Oh my god, let's go. We going out. We're gonna go eat at the Filipino restaurant and shop. Yes sir.
Hi!
Ang ganda ng araw.
Tulog. Oo nga.
Tulog? Ang mabuti, mag-aanak yun. Asan yung batang babae? Ingat kayo.
Yeah.
JCPenney collection, attacking glittery denim jackets, sequin dresses, faux leather minis. So,
Kain kami ng tapsilog.
limited release collection.
Tapsilog.
Ba yan? Dito sa Amerika, tapsilog.
Now, 4,000.
We're here in Manila, Sunset.
Ako ito lang. Ito lang.
Lumpia.
Let's eat. Sa kanan, inilapan sa danan. Sabi ko, lahat tayo nagdadaan lang tayo. Sabi ko,
Busog. Of to buy. I need to buy a memory card for this camera.
grabe init. Ano ba yan?
Sarap nga eh.
Ganito pa naman ako. O yun ang masasabik ka na yung init.
Best Buy.
Best Buy kami. Computer naman kung ano-anong gadget. Tsaka, sana may sale.
Black Friday sale.
Cool. Labia?
Yeah.
So it'll be
So we have Apple Pencil and 1 terabyte. And my camera is all set now. Thank you, Mami Lay.
You're welcome.
Sa kanya yung pen.
Want to sawa ka na dyan, no?
Yeah. We're on the way now to outlet time.
Iba dito na nila pinakalas. Ito iniiwan ng box. Parang Pilipinas. Yeah. Outlet naman. Sige. Shopping pa more.
Black Friday naman eh.
Wow! Yes! Grabe, sale oh!
First one. No, you're good. Abercrombie.
Grabe. Ako naman 60%.
Scam. Oops. I shop at Hollister again.
Ano naman to, no? Excuse me. Pantalo na naman.
Yan yung kanina sa Abercrombie.
Oh, parang maganda to.
So, I'm just waiting. Chill muna. And I think I need to rethink my budget. But, it's whatever. Sulitin na talaga yung oras ko dito. Because it's only my second day, but I feel like it's so fast.
Okay, thank you.
Who's gonna get their ears pierced? Ear piercing.
Sa shop kami ng diamonds, charot. Feeling lang.
Gonna get ear piercings. Did I record?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Ano?
Wala, okay na.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, that one did not pierce me.
Push it.
Does that hurt?
Fine. That is okay.
You're all set. There you go.
Oh my God.
See? It's easy.
Alright. Now hold on before I do anything.
Ewan ko sa'yo na.
Are you ready? Tingin ng nails mo. Wow. Nice. Kay Tiffany yan.
Yeah, Tiffany. Oh, yeah.
3. O, diba? Ganun lang.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god. You're all set.
Wow, nice.
Okay?
O, diba? Spray lang.
I did it.
Sí. Porque te lo firme.
Diba? Oh. Pak!
Wow! New piercing.
Bili ako ng bito ang dahil. Return naman.
Tapos ito yung shopping.
Adik.
Okay na, tama na.
Tama na yan. Uwi na tayo.
Ano yan? Box lang.
Ito sa bagets. Oh, ayan. Oh, ito pa.
Ooh.
Tapos ng shopping. Friday uli.
Bibili kami ng bangus. And munggo.
Ba yan? Sa Amerika, bangus sa kamunga hinahanap.
Yun lang yung masarap eh. Bangus secure.
Daboba?
Daboba.
Or Seafood City?
Meron ba din doon?
Wala.
Ah, ito lang.
Wala, daming stopover eh.
Minsan lang wala kaming ganito dun
daming
eh.
store.
Bangus secured. Ngayon, boba. Boba time.
Uwi na. Dami pa natin pupuntahan. Tikman mo. Sarap. Bago. Winter melon green tea.
Okay na ako.
Parang uwi na tayo. Ay,
Yung ham ni Tita
pick up
PJ.
pa tayo. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Ang dami tao ngayon.
Malamang eh, ano
Guys,
na
ang daming
bukas eh.
sasakyan. Ang daming lahat, everything. Parking. Wala. Punong-puno. Dito tayo na.
Crowded everywhere.
Ready for Thanksgiving. Saan tayo nakapark?
Ayun. Muntik pa maligaw. We're gonna have one last errand. And kakain tayo ng bangus sa bahay. Pila for a damn ham.
Ng pila eh. Pipick up na lang. Bayad ka na online. Pila ka pa rin.
Masarap ba dito? Kung alam ko.
Oh, here. Meron tayo sa bahay. Tikman mo.
Haba ng pila. We got it.
Grabe, isang oras. Prepaid na to. Bayad na. Pick up na lang. Isang oras.
Ang kita nga so.
Shadow.
Wala na pupuntahan.
No, wala na. Uwi na tayo.
Kain bangus na.
Kain na tayo, bro.
Pauwi na kami. For real.
May karinderya yung kotse. Ayan.
Okay. Just got home. Daming dala. Puro food and shopping. Wow.
Ay, naku. Ay, naku lang. Yun ang masabi ko.
Kaya ba?
Ano pa?
Ah,
Ang haba ng pila sa Holidays. Oras kami doon. Bagong luto. O, ayan.
wow.
Meron pa doon
Favorite.
kaya lang wala nang taba.
Favorite.
Oo nga. Nakita ko nga eh.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, meron pang bangus na sabi niya. Mamaya na.
Hey, so I'm home. Yeah, I just ate bangus and munggo. My favorite combo ever. I just want to show you guys what I bought sa outlet. I bought stuff from Hollister, Abercrombie, my favorite stores ever. What else? Calvin Klein or Klein. Di ko alam. But yeah, so eto. Quarter zip gang, if you know. If you know, you know. So yeah, quarter zip na black from CK. It's very nice. Medyo mabigat yung material, but it's so nice. Tinatamad akong suotin. So, next time ko na ipakita. Maybe in my next vlogs or basta. And this, syempre, as a gay, as a lesbian, bibili tayo ng flannel. It looks nice. I think it's like reddish or reddish brownish na color and it's very nice. And maganda yung fit, maganda yung measures. So, it's perfect. And meron akong magandang biniling polo shirt sa CK. See? Ang ganda ng fit nito, like, I love it. Though, yung length lang, medyo mahaba for me, but I can work that out, so. It's very nice. Maganda siya pag sinuot ko. Yeah. I got these trousers. Baggy, relaxed trousers from Hollister. Abercrombie. Yeah. Trousers. Maganda siya. Maganda yung material. But, mahaba lang din, so. I can work it out, so. No problem. And that's everything, I believe. And thankfully, Mamili bought me a 1 terabyte. Thank you so much, Mamili. And as you can see, uy, kita ba? Aray ko. I got new piercings. Finally na, medyo napuno ko na yung aking lobe. So, 3 na siya. So, it's very nice. Wow. They used a gun for it. So, madali lang. I know it's not the best option, but lobe lang naman. So, yeah. It was good. It looks good. I like it. And si Mami din nagpabuta. So, nabudol ko siya. So, I'm just so thankful that I'm here in San Diego. And, yeah, yun lang naman. So, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. If you did, I appreciate it. And, yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have Thanksgiving. We're gonna have Thanksgiving. We're gonna visit 2 families. So, I bet it's gonna be fun. So, yeah. Bye-bye. Peace.